I am now on step 13, and I'm going to need J and K, and we're going to go red, white, blue, white, red. So let's get that done. I'm going to start on the one side and sew it. These seem bigger, but... Grab my scissors. And we're going to press it towards the dark. I'm just going to finger press. Going to put the blue on. I'm starting from the end, but you can start from the other side if it makes you feel better. And let's see, we're going to finger press towards the dark. Now white. And the white pieces are a little darker than, or a little wider. Whoops, the wrong way. Then the K pieces are a little wider than the J, so make sure you just orient them the way they're supposed to go. And towards the dark. So there you have it, red, white, blue, white, red. And you're going to do all the ones according to the pattern. Now I'm going to put the blocks together for Freedom Song. This is what it's going to look like. You're going to take one of your striped units and you're going to sew piece L to that. Now you're going to grab piece M and sew it to the other side of the striped unit. Now you're going to take your star unit and sew it on the other side of M. Now grab the last piece N and sew that on the other side of the bottom of your star unit. Here's the finished block. Now do the same thing to the rest of the blocks. In the next video, we will put on the sashing and the borders. Thanks for watching.